What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently sitting at $1.25, down 1.4 on the day, as well as Ethereum sitting market cap at 10.87 billion. 24-hour volume 541 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bickit or Bybit, grab up to 8K in bonuses on Bickit, up to 30,000 in bonuses on Bybit. Email me or sign up email. These are the two exchanges where I do the majority of my trading and investing. And I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Matic. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So what I think is likely, Bitcoin pushed up and saw a massive rejection. So I think it's likely that this is a dead cat bounce. Please check out my Bitcoin video so you can better understand what I'm looking at here. And basically what I think is going on for Matic is we put in a wave 4 pullback and you're looking to come down in a wave 5. Now this could easily get invalidated if we were to bounce here, but as of right now, what I'm looking at is here's your 1, 2, and then you come down in a 3, 4, 5. We'll make that smaller quickly. Okay, and that would complete your wave A. Let me pull it out properly here. That would complete your wave A. You'd see a wave B pullback and you come down in a wave C that could take you all the way down to the $1 range. That's what I think is probable. Now, if we were to see a bounce here and invalidate this wave 4, then potentially what you could be looking at is a 3, 4, 5. That's the completion of your wave 5, which completes the wave A. And then basically you're looking to push up in a wave B. I don't think this is likely, but you could be looking at a wave A. This is some sort of A, B, C into a wave B, and then you'd push up in a wave C to complete that wave B. It's on the table, but with this strong rejection, I think it's likely that we see continuation to the downside. We'll have to see how it plays out. As you can see, we're continuing to sell off. Looking at our next chart here, what I think is likely is we'll push up in that wave B and we'll create a beautiful head and shoulders pattern. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and then you would form the right shoulder. And if that breaks down, you could come down in your wave C. And if we give a technical target, you can see that would bring you right down. Wow, that would bring you all the way down to about 92 cents, which looks like, yeah, super strong support. As you can see, resistance, resistance, previous support, resistance over here as well. Let me open this up. So this is a massive level where Matic could definitely come down to in an ABC correction. And I definitely look to add to my position if that does play out. So let's take a look at ETH. So we pushed up into our wave 2 pullback zone. Now this does look like a 5-wave move. So if we were to break above 1677, it would invalidate that. Wow. It would invalidate that as a wave 2 pullback. But as of right now, we put in a higher high while putting a lower high in the RSI, as well as money is flowing out. So we may see a rejection from this level and come down in a wave 3. However, if we were to break 1677, then there is potential. Let me show it to you on this chart here. I don't think this is probable, but it's possible. This was a 3, here's your wave 4, and you're looking to put in a higher high in a wave 5, and basically what you'd be looking at is this is a wave 1 up, this is a wave 2 pullback, and then you'd push up in a 3, 4, 5, and potentially take ETH all the way up to 2K. Now, if we pop over to the daily time frame, if this were to play out, I want to open up my money flow quickly here. Come on, indicators. Okay, so I was mentioning this in my Bitcoin video. If we were to create a higher high, then look for that bearish divergence to continue to print on the RSI as well as the money flow. So basically it's a bull trap. You create a high, you're slowing down, higher high, one more higher high, the bulls get really excited, everybody starts buying, investing, going long, and then boom, you see a large pullback. That's the really bullish scenario. I think it's less likely, it's improbable in my opinion, especially with this strong rejection we've just seen here for BTC, but it's on the table, it's possible. And let me zoom in here so we can have a better look at it. I'll quickly remove this ABC. So basically what you'd be looking at here is you pushed up in a wave 1, there's your wave 2 pullback, and you'd be looking to come up in that 3, 4, 5. And if we zoom in, there is a nice 5-wave move. Off the low, you have a wave 1, that's a wave 2 pullback, pushed up in a 3, 4, 5. Currently, you're getting rejected, so a wave 2 pullback. could take you down in between the 0.5 the 0.786. So watch this zone for Ethereum in between about 1581 and 1611. If we can hold that support, then potentially you could put in a wave 2, wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback continuation. So that's the key level to hold, especially 1581 to 0.786. If we break below that, it's unlikely it's a wave 2 pullback. This is what I think is the less probable scenario, that we're still looking to put in the wave 5, but it is on the table. Personally, I do think we had an overshooting wave B and you're looking to come down in a potential wave C. But as I mentioned, if we break above 1677, it would invalidate that as a wave 2, and that could give more confluence to the fact that we will put in that higher high. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Currently, we're short both BTC and Ethereum in the Discord, making some profits. So we'll see if we see continuation. Already locked in some gains, moved the break even, moved the stop loss to break even. So we'll see how everything plays out. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. They're in the description. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. At the 10 USD membership, you can have early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Mahado alt plays, all of that is coming in for 10 USD per month. Sign up to the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.